Ria, guess what happened today?
Oh no. Every time you start like this, something chaotic has happened. Tell me.
I met a new neighbor and I accidentally introduced myself as I am hungry instead of I am Aman.
Well, both can be true at the same time.
Why does my brain forget English when I meet new people?
Relax. Introducing yourself is actually super simple. Want a quick mini lesson?
Only if it stops me from introducing myself as a sandwich next time.
Deal. Step 1, start with a greeting. Something simple like, "Hi, nice to meet you."
Okay, not hi, I am hungry. Got it.
Step 2, say your name clearly. "I'm Amin," or "My name is Amin."
Easy so far.
Step 3, add one small detail about yourself, your job, hobby, or where you're from. For example, "I'm Amin, and I work as a graphic designer." Or, "I love cooking."
Ooh, can I say I'm Amin and I love sleeping?
If you want people to think you're a panda, sure.
Perfect. Pandas are cute.
Step 4, ask a simple question back, like, "What about you?" Or, "And you?"
So the conversation doesn't die like my plants?
Exactly. And that's it. Greeting, name, detail, question.
Let me try. Hi, nice to meet you. I'm Amin and I love cooking. What about you?
Yes, that's perfect. See, you're already better than 10 minutes ago.
Great. Next time I'll introduce myself as a human, not a hunger problem.
That's progress.